So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to send USDT from Binance to another wallet. After you open your Binance exchanger, go to asset. After you go to asset, so from the asset, now you have three options. So the first one here is it now, it says pending, spot, and future. So you go ahead now and find where you located, where your balance of the USDT is located. So for me, my balance of USDT is in this option now, funding. So just click on the funding. So if you can't find it in the funding, so you can click on this option now, spot or futures. So just go ahead now and through all this section, you'll be able now to find the coin that you just have in your wallet. So for me, I have USDT in the funding section. So I'll select this USDT. After you select the USDT, then click on this send button. So now you have three options. You can send the USDT via Binance user. You can send the USDT via on-chain wallet, and you can send the USDT via P2P. So choose this one. You can choose this one or this one. If you choose this one, send by Binance user ID, this one. So by choosing this one, so here it will ask you something. So here it will ask you the person that you want to send him the USDT, he will provide his email address or phone number for you, or he will provide his Binance ID for you. After you receive his Binance ID or your phone number or email address, so after you paste one of them in this option, so from there you can just click on the continue button. From there it will ask you to type in the address, the amount that you want to send. After typing the amount, from there the USDT will be sent to his wallet. So if you want to if you want to send the USDT to another external wallet, so just go back, and after you just select the USDT, just click on the send button. So you choose this one, that's a on-chain wallet, on-chain withdrawal. So from this option, it will ask you to type in the address. So tap and hold and paste in the address of the USDT that you receive from the person. So now after you type the person address, then click on this option now and select the network. So make sure the person has told you the network of the address that he sent you. So for me, it's BSC. After you receive the network, then here you'll be able now to type in the amount. So the minimum amount of USDT you can send is 10 USD. So you can just type in 10 or just something more than 10. After you type in the amount that you want to send, just click on this withdrawal button. If you have the exact amount in your wallet, it will just allow you to withdraw. Because now I don't have now the USDT in my wallet, that's why it just give me this insufficient. As you can see here, it says insufficient because I don't have the USDT in my wallet. If you have the USDT, after you type in the amount, just click on the withdrawal button. So from there, it will ask you to verify. After the verification, the USDT will be sent to another wallet. And that's it, guys, on how to send USDT from Binance to another wallet.